This is a normal Jeffy puppet, and this is a Jeffy puppet I bought off Temu. There are so many things wrong with this. He doesn't have a diaper, his face is red for some reason, and he's all sticky. Ew! How could you mess it up this bad? Speaking of bad, it only gets worse with the bootleg Marvin puppet. I don't even have words for this thing. This looks like something straight out of my nightmares. Ugh. Well, there's only one thing to do with this. And finally, we got something more normal. The bootleg Chef The Puppet. Wait, this isn't normal. This is even worse than the other two. Subscribe if I should burn these little goobers.